Mail time, mail time. Oh, look at my cushion. Nice. Thank you, Chrisman, for that cushion. $5. I guess in today's episode, only mail. I'm not gonna fix anything. So I have no idea. Um, since I got a lot of packages, I have no idea if these work or no. But this one, I think they're for parts or not working. Okay, so we have one James remote control Victor. It's kind of heavy. I don't know if they have batteries in it. Can't even take this padding. Okay, Molly. This one Mattel looks really good actually. That is cool. Next one, we be careful. Oh la la! I think this one. Or you already know. Oh, I mean, I must be very careful. Not okay. Hold on. It's a Backman. Are these supposed to come on this thing? I think they just fell off. I don't know if this. Okay, I think this one is. I'll figure out later. But look at the details on this boy. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, I won the auction on this Hawthorne Thomas Kinkade Christmas Express. You know, I always like the Backman. They have the most accurate or close to the real deal. Yeah, I must be very careful not to destroy it. It comes really well packed. What? Yeah, I thought was the only the locomotive and the tender, but it comes with this passenger car with look at the seats inside. I don't know if this thing lights up. I've seen some videos where this some of this lights up. What is this? Oil? Where this oil came from? Nice. Okay, I'm gonna set it apart right in the same box because I need to be very careful not to destroy it. And on this next okay, what is this? I know you are my fan, guys. I'm not accepting any kitchen repairs yet, and sorry, but what is this? It's only shells, tops. Sorry, CJ Thompson, but I cannot fix your motors. One thing, I am not accepting fixing repairs at this moment. And the other thing is that there is not even motors in here. I don't have a spare motors. If you want me to fix this, I want you to understand that I need the motors, the chassis, wheels, everything. I can't do anything about this, so sorry about that. I don't know what to do. See, I'm cutting on the other side. I'm trying not to show the the sender's address, so I cut it on the opposite side. So you get the idea. And the next we have, oh la 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 la. Okay. Oh, more parts for this Thomas Kinkade. So we have Steam Alone. Looks really good actually. Steam Alone Thomas. Looking really good. Obviously, I remember this one is for parts or not working. We're gonna figure out what's going on with that one in a minute. And then, what is that? Ultrasonic cleaner. See, I used to get a lot of packages from companies, and I do really appreciate the time to contact me and sending me these products. I really appreciate, and I enjoy it. I'm not saying I'm taking big and small companies. I accept anything, You've seen my channel. I got some like laser machines, mattress, and everything. And this is, I think it's one of the coolest things. What is all this about? So, WiSHLUCK. So over the last month, I've been saying yes to every single company that I will just showcase their product, and I have no idea what kind of liquid takes. But I remember I told the company, you know what, I have a toy channel that I can showcase the cleaning process, and I think it's going to be very useful to showcase how to clean some parts. Like there are some parts that need to be cleaned with with this device. Ooh la 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 la! What about that? Does this has LED light here? Yes, LED lights. For a moment I thought there were no instructions on this, but they come with instructions. Oh, how do you get these things out? What is this? Nice. Everything is nice. This is for jewelry, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use for the Thomas models. Look, these are for earrings. I think for earrings, or well, these are for the little earrings or chains, or this like thing like for what's the thing you put in your eyes, whatever. Okay, thank you WiSHLUCK for this product. We're going to do a test and a review. Really nice box. Check the link in the description. I say I will not fix it. Train passing by, but I'm going to check if they work. There, it's working and it's noisy. Good. Also, thanks to the batteries this company sent me. Oh man, Gray Saber. What is that train from the Back to the Future or what? Sounds the same. We open this for the first time. Let me tell you, if you are new to this steam alone, you need to pull back and up. And there is some corrosion buildup. I hope it's not so deep. I'm going to clean it up with white vinegar. Even that thing is for it's a sonic cleaner. I cannot put the entire thing inside. I need to remove the all the battery parts. If I am not able to make it work, or if this is too damaged, then we are going to replace those battery terminals either with spring battery terminals or makeshift battery terminals, or otherwise I need to find another battery terminal from another model. Yeah, I tried to push that tab, this battery terminal, and broke off. So the rest looks okay. I did some cleaning. Still, I'm going to replace those battery terminals, but that's going to be for another video. Definitely no bueno. Look at this, James. They forgot the battery inside. Wow. This one, one of two things. I can even try to clean it with white vinegar, and if that doesn't work, I think it's too much inside the metal. So definitely I'm going to replace the battery terminal. That's no good, but that will be for another video, guys. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work at all. Too much corrosion. Nope. Completely dead. So that was today's mail time, and I'm going to try to fix some of those later. Also, thank you to WiSHLUCK. I need to do some research what fluids needs to be inside this thing. I don't know if it's just distilled water or... Come on, I cannot open it. I have the other hand. Hold on. I need to read the instructions, and then we can put the parts in. We'll do some tests. We'll do some tests later, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you to WiSHLUCK for this device. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am going to do a test clean with the ultrasonic cleaner for this battery terminal. See if it works. It says here just add water, but look, let me show you something. I accidentally just pressed the buttons, and it has this really cool looking color changing. That is nice. Right, it says add only water. Now I have no idea. I haven't read the instructions yet, but it says just like a tap water, but I'm going to add this water. 3 minutes. I haven't set up the date and time yet, but I don't know if you can hear that very tiny sound. It doesn't make too much sound, so I had to press and hold this button, and let's see how it says. It should stop after 3 minutes. There you can read it says 3 minutes. Alright, 3 minute cycle is over. And look guys, look at, oh my, what a difference. It definitely works. Obviously that's rust, but it's cleaning. Look how shiny this thing. I can even repeat the cycle to a deeper clean, but I can see it works a lot. I have this coupling. I don't know if it's going to sync or not. Yeah, there it is. Press and hold. It's on, and we wait 3 minutes. Okay, let me tell you, it did a good job. Just in this part is still stained, but the rest is clean.